Hey everyone, welcome back into the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about a stupid INU. That's the coin which I actually spotted a few days ago, and I was just looking at this and I found out that it's actually got some traction. That's why I decided to do video about it. Okay, but before we move on, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Okay, so stupid news. So let's go quickly into the chart and see what's going on. Okay, so it was introduced to the market on the 12th of August. Okay, around the noon time. And since then, right, the chart shows a strong rally initially, okay? So the like big green candles with a strong volume, right? We can see it here and over here as well, okay? Which pushed the token to the new heights, and that was the maximum. I think they reached to 7.6 million, okay? That was the highest market cap, right? After that top, okay, the price has been in a gradual downtrend. Okay, it went try to reach that once again, and now since then it's going through a gradual downtrend. Okay, with the lower lows and high highs, but it's literally it's a little bit like losing a little bit of momentum. Okay, still high though, like for the coin, which was introduced into the market. When was that? 12. Today we got 19th. I think it's keeping well. Okay, and I'm going to show about the community and the website and everything is in a minute. Okay, so currently it's trading around, what is it now, 2.2 to 2.3 market cap. Okay, sitting at the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, so there we go. I think which is showing weakness and possible oversold condition. Okay, so it's probably this green candle will show us a little bit going up. Okay, from going forward, right? So who knows? Okay. Okay, let me show this to you guys a little bit more clear, right? So now, okay, so let's talk about those Bollinger Bands first. Okay, so earlier, okay, price expanded outside the bands, which shows the volatile breakout. Okay, that's over here. Okay, those two tops you can see, hit the all-time high. Okay, try to reach that once again. Okay, so those times, those two times, though you can definitely see volatility here. Okay, so now price is hanging the lower bands. Okay, at this point, which often signals bearish pressure, okay, but also potential for a bounce if buyers step in. Okay, so that's the question, if the buyers will step in. Okay, so the bands are widening slightly. Okay, so now they are much wider than, for example, in comparison here. Okay, indicating momentum is still active rather than consolidating. Okay, so there is still momentum here. Okay, so we'll see what's going on and how's that goes. So MACD. Okay, so let's go quickly into the MACD. So the lines are bearishly crossed, okay, over here, right? So now it's moving downward, right? So, but histogram is strongly red and expanding, showing growing bearish momentum, okay? That's what we saw, like here, okay? They actually reached this lower Bollinger Band, okay? And the MACD is actually confirming that, right? So that suggests that the sellers are still in control for now. Okay, I will see if this green candle will change something. Okay, now RSI. Okay, so currently RSI, where we are, about 41, 42. Okay, this is then near the oversold threshold of 30. Okay, but not fully there yet. Okay, so the threshold was just about there, like. Okay, indicates a weakening strength, but a possible bounce zone is approaching. So that's something which might goes together with the MACD and also Bollinger Band, and we want to see if this bounce back will actually happen. Okay, I'm just wondering what's gonna happen with this green candle here. Okay, let me have a look. Maybe I will change that to 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, it's bouncing there. Okay, and we see that it actually might something happen. Okay, it might something happen here. Okay, but look, it's actually on the 5 minutes chart is touching the upper band. All right, so yeah, that's different. Okay, so we'll see. All right. Oh, the volume peak during the pump and has been, decreasing steadily as price trended lower. That's probably understandable. So when the peak is there, more and people are joining the project. So the web and bringing the volume, which is totally totally understandable, and that's something which is not unusual at all. Okay, so this decline in volume suggests less conviction, okay, from both buyers and sellers, which often precedes a reversal or major breakout. Okay, and this major breakout might happen just over here. So we just need to watch this green candle to see what's going to happen. Okay, so support zones. Okay, so let's go and see what support zones. All right, so 2.3 to 2.4, yeah, I think so. Current supports align with the lower Bollinger Bands. Okay, that's something around this point, right? Around 2 millions. Okay, psychological support if selling continues. Okay, so that's definitely, that's a psychological, like all those psychological buyers, like 500,000, 1 million, 2 millions, 5 millions, and so on and so forth. Okay, so yeah, definitely we're going with this structure over here. Okay, resistance zones, however, it's something, let me see, between 3.2 maybe around this point. Okay, all the way to 3.5, maybe 4. Okay, that's something, so it's something here. Okay, that's when we're looking at the Bollinger Band first and foremost. Okay, so within the next short period of time, like 12 to 24 hours, right? So likely more downside pressure. Okay, if MACD momentum continues in red, right, and we can still see that the red here on the MACD. Price may retest support near 2.3 or dip toward 2 million before stabilizing. Okay, so yeah, we'll see if that's within the next 24 hours. We'll see if what's happened. Okay, if RSI, however, enters oversold, right, within the next 2 to 5 days, okay, and the volume increases, we could see a rebound back in 2 to 3 to 3.5 million range. Okay, if support at 2 million fails, expect a sharper drawn towards 1.5. Okay, so yeah, definitely if this one will actually drop here below to 2 million, I think the next one will be about 1.3, this zone over here, right? So we'll see. So price holds above 2.3, RSI resets higher, okay, and MACD curves back for a bullish cross, right? So we see if those three scenarios will happen, that could trigger a move back for toward 4 million plus resistance. Okay, so we'll see 4 million plus still achievable, I think, in this particular occasion. And so now let's go quickly into the coin itself, and we'll see. Okay, so now Twitter. Okay, when you click on the Twitter, they have about 2.8 thousand members here on their Twitter, right? Which is yeah, there is a momentum because of the community, I suppose, right? Website is that's the website. Okay, it's very shiny, as you can see, very bright, and they are going straight to the point. Stupid INU is not here to revolutionize finance, solve world hunger, or build the next Solana killer app. No, Stupid INU was born from the ashes of bunks, leftover dog food, and accidentally ate the whole bag. Now the runs around the blockchain barking stupid at everything. Okay, that's exactly what it is. Okay. Yeah, there's not much of a big idea behind the whole thing. Okay, however, in my opinion, this kind of a stupid INU, okay, can create a new meta. Okay, why I'm saying that is, let's go quickly into the DEX screener. Okay, we already see the stupid Lego. All right, here we go. Just now, all right, so and that stupid Lego actually is gaining some momentum already, like a 10x, right, 11 even. So there we go, introduced today. I think that another one which I saw was stupid coins, something like that, all right. And I think another one which was called stupid there, but anyway, okay, it's there is some sort of narrative going on, and I think this stupid INU actually started that narrative, okay, which is fair play to them, right? Okay, that's why I actually decided to go and cover this one for you, because you never know. Okay, you never know, it might happen that this one will go all over, to the moon. That you never know with those type of coins, but definitely there is some narrative, because as I already showed you guys, there's at least a couple of other coins which they actually wrote the same sort of idea and call it themselves stupid. And one of those coins, this stupid Lego, actually you could gain like 11x in a matter of a couple of hours, because it was introduced today. So when it comes to the if you go to their Telegram 5,929 members. Okay, so there is a community there, right? And by looking at their posts, postings, they are pretty regular. Okay, people are just posting something. They are constantly rating. That's, yeah, it is definitely going, something still going on. Okay, it's active. Okay, and when the community is active, okay, and is backing their project, okay, it that sounds like it might stay here for some time going forward. Okay, guys, it's not a financial advice. Obviously, do whatever you want with this one, do your own research. I'm just thinking that this one was quite interesting because it's there for some time, for a few days now, and it's actually people are making money here, like from the time when they actually started. Right, so let's say that somebody joined here at the very beginning, go all the way to the top, like a 14,074, right? So percent. Okay, so there you go. So yeah, people are still making money with this one. Okay, so guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you found it helpful, please like it. If you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.